Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing tools so Copilot can help immediately. Install VS Code, Git, and Node LTS, sign into GitHub and enable Copilot. Once done, create and initialize your repo with Git init and npm init, then commit a minimal scaffold. Make sure to open the project in VS Code so Copilot suggestions appear inline. You'll also configure Git ignore and a basic README. This avoids noisy commits and gives Copilot context to produce meaningful code from the first suggestions. Now focus on turning intents into working code. You write clear comments or function signatures describing behavior, then accept Copilot completions and immediately run them. While developing, run unit tests and debug cycles frequently so errors surface quickly. Once a suggestion works, refactor for readability and add types or input validation to harden logic. Make sure to commit small chunks with explanatory messages so Copilot learns project patterns. This speeds future suggestions and reduces brittle or insecure output. To finish, create integration tests and a release checklist, update README and bump the version. You run linters, dependency scanners, and a final full test suite, then perform a human code review before merging and deploying. If Copilot produces incorrect or insecure code, don't blame it. Adjust prompts to be explicit, narrow its context, or temporarily disable suggestions while you write critical sections. One key troubleshooting tip: if suggestions go off, clear workspace context and open a focused file so Copilot realigns to your intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.